Hi, I'm Ryan from Inline, where WordPress and Woocommerce come to life. In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about how you can inline edit the order notes and customer notes in the Woocommerce bulk orders editing plugin. Inline editing the order notes and customer notes in Woocommerce bulk orders editing plugin is done in 3 simple steps. Step 1, you have to add suitable columns to the table. Inline editing any column in our plugin is only available for the columns in the table. So before you start inline editing the order notes or customer notes, you need to add those columns to the order table. So to do that, first we're going to open column profiles of form by clicking on column profile at the main page of our plugin. Now type note in the search box to quickly find those columns in the form. Then mark the checkbox of customer notes and order notes, and then click on apply to table. And that's it for now. And step 2. In step 2, you need to search your preferred orders. Inline edit is a useful feature in our plugin when you just need to edit one column of one order in the table. If you want to edit multiple order fields on the table at the same time, however, make sure to check out our video on how to bind edit WooCommerce orders in the WooCommerce bulk orders editing plugin. Now we want to inline edit the order notes and customer notes, which means we have to choose the field next to one of the orders. So we're going to use the quick search to find our order first. So go ahead and type order number. You can also use the filter form to find your preferred order as well. So, and that's for step 2. Now in step 3, we have to inline edit the columns. Customer notes. To inline edit the customer notes, you just need to click on the column in front of the filtered order and then start typing. And there's no limitation in this text box. You can use any letters, numbers, or symbols and type as much as you need. Now let's inline edit the order note. So to inline edit the order note, you have to click on order notes in the table next to your preferred order, and then you'll see the pop-up page, which is divided into 3 parts. So the first one is notes, which in this part you'll see all of the notes that have been already sent to your customers. And lastly, we've got new notes, and in this part you can add a new note by typing a text in the text box. For example, let's type 2 days delay in shipping. And then we're gonna choose one of these 2 options, either private note or note to customer. And then just go ahead and click on add new button. And now you can see that the notes have been added to the above notes. And if you're finished editing, just go ahead and click on here to close the page.